Hello and welcome to all of my fellow travelers on this beautiful journey of life after 50. I'm Tina and I am glad that you're here today. I am also thrilled that spring has finally arrived. And today I am doing a spring eye look collaboration with my very good friend Erica Conger. If you're here from Erica's channel, welcome. I hope that you'll take some time to stick around and watch a few other videos and see what we do here on the journey. Today, in honor of the first day of spring, Erica and I are doing a spring-inspired look. We both looked for an image that inspired us and reminded us of spring, and I chose this one. I am going to be using 3 palettes from my stash to create this look. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have swatched all of the colors that inspired me in this picture that I'm going to use to create a look on my eyes. So the colors that I'm going to be using is the white from Lost in Los Angeles, the bright yellow from the LA Colors Lemon Drop palette, the light purple and dark purple mattes from the Juvia's Place Violets palette, as well as the light purple shimmer from the Juvia's Place Violets. So if you would like to play along, pause the video here and look in your collection. You're looking for a white, a yellow, a light purple matte, a dark purple matte, and a light purple shimmer. When you find your colors, come on back and put your eyes on with me. I have all of my face makeup done, including my brows, so all we need to do is finish up the eyes. Alright, so I got you all up close and personal so you can see what I'm doing. I've primed my eyes with the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer, and I'm going to pat that out and set it. Normally I set it with an ivory color, but I really want to maintain the brightness of this look, so I'm actually going to set it with that white. So as I said, this is a collaboration with my beautiful friend Erica Conger. I am so glad that I have met Erica. She's beautiful, she's funny, she's an amazing storyteller, and she has wonderful content on her channel. If you're one of my subscribers and you don't know Erica, you are missing out. And I encourage you, when you're done with this video, to go down to the description box and head over to her channel, watch her video, and make sure you subscribe while you're there. I am now going to go into Juvia's Place, into that light purple, and I'm going to put that in my transition area. And I'm going to start with just dabbing it where I want it because of my crepey lids. If I go in swiping right away, it just skips and drags and it's frustrating. So I'm going to dab and then put it on and blend. Because I have a lot to say this time, I'm probably going to show you both eyes and you'll just come along while I chat. If you've never seen any of Erica's videos, she does amazing eye looks. She has mad blending skills. She has great color sense and puts colors together in unique and creative ways that turn out beautifully. If you like affordable makeup, you'll love Erica because her focus is on drugstore affordable makeup and indie brands. Okay, now I am going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to go in with that deep purple right here. And I'm going to shape that outer V area. Erica is the collaboration queen. She does collaborations with other YouTubers all of the time, and they are all wonderful. I got to do a collaboration with Erica. We used our Blueberry Muffin palettes, and we did it palette bingo style, where she picked the colors with a random number generator. And palette bingos are really fun because they force you out of your comfort zone and make you use colors in your palettes that you might not have used otherwise. And I'm really going to do this as an upswept, wide open look. I will post a link to both of our palette bingo videos down in the description box below. I was going to use tape and I forgot, and so I may regret that, but we're going to just keep on flying. And now I'm going to take a fluffy brush, a little bit smaller than the one I used for the light purple, and I'm going to blend that purple. Whereas normally I would take this dark and bring it in, I am not going to do that because I want the effect of that darker outer to the lighter inner. And just like those flowers have a little bit of darkness on the tips and then they get lighter as they go to the center, that's what I'm doing with my eyes. So Erica and I came up with, as I continue blending here, Erica is much better with this talking and applying makeup than I am, but we came up with some questions about the seasons, with today being the official entrance of spring. So the first question was, what is your favorite season? And my favorite season is spring. I love the new birth, the warmth after a time of coldness, the color that comes out after a period of just gray and brown, and it's just a season of hope and renewal. The second question was, what is your least favorite season? And my least favorite season is winter. I don't like the cold, and the older I've gotten, the worse I do with handling the cold, and I just want to hibernate. Now I'm going to take that white and I'm going to put it on my inner lid so that when I put the shimmer on there, it really stands out. Kind of like a halo without the concealer. I just want to really brighten up that lid. Our third question was, what is an aspect of each season that you look forward to? Spring, as I said, warmer temperatures and all of the color, especially the first peeking out of the new green grass. And then I'm going to go in with my finger and pick up that shimmer. There's just something about that first time you look outside and realize that the grass is getting green, and you know that even if there's still a few cold days left, winter is really almost over. Now I am going to take that dark purple and I'm going to bring that under the eye, and I'm going to tap off as much as I can of that because I don't want fallout under my eye. Oh, sorry. In summer, as a homeschooling mom, I look forward to the break as much as my kids do. I don't have to do lesson plans, we have time for projects, and it's just warmer. I'm going to wipe off that dark color with my color switch, and I'm going to go into the lighter purple and bring that further in towards the middle. In the fall, I like the color of the leaves changing, and I always look forward to our theater's Apple Festival play. We have a musical, and I am either in it or directing it or involved in some way, and it's the biggest play of our season, and it's always fun. And then finally, I'm going to go into the lightest color, and I'm going to do that with a flat shader brush because I really want to be able to control where I put that. Just on the tip, and then that goes right in the inner portion. And so this mirrors what happened on the upper lid, the dark, medium, and then light. And I'm doing the same thing on the lower lid. Winter, honestly, I don't look forward to much, but I do enjoy the first snow. It is pretty, and after that I'm done with it. But then of course there's Christmas, and I always look forward to Christmas. And as I blend a little bit more, you can listen to me ramble about seasons. A fourth question that we had was, do you live in a place with 4 distinct seasons, or do they all blend into one another? And I live in a place where we have all 4 seasons, sometimes all in one day. I am again going to take that white and I'm going to really brighten up this inner corner so that when I do this next part, it really stands out. And as you can see in the photo, I'll put it back up here again, the flowers have a yellow center, and I'm going to use that bright yellow in the lemon drop to give that effect of the center of the flower. I have a pencil brush here and I'm going to dip into that, tap off the extra, and put that right there. Our fifth question was, if you could move to anywhere that had an ideal climate, where would it be? And for me, that would be anywhere with a beach. I just really love the beach and everything about the weather. Yes, I know it's hot. My big thing about places with beaches is they have big bugs, and I'm not really into big bugs. So that kind of takes the idealness down just a notch. Now I'm going to use this LA Girl Ultimate Eyeliner Pencil in Perpetual Purple as my upper waterline liner. And I have a Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Extra Frosting that I'm going to use on the lower waterline. And it's kind of just a very light yellow, but I really like putting a lighter color in my lower waterline because I think it really opens up my eyes. And unfortunately, I don't have time for the 6th question because my eye look is done. But there was a bonus question, and that is, are you a fan of the time change or not? And no, I am not a fan of the time change, and I am all for the fact that the Senate just passed a bill to make daylight savings time permanent. Yay! I am now going to go off camera real quick, do my lash line eyeliner and my mascara, and I will be right back. And I'm back. Did you miss me? I used the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Eye Booster Pen in black on the upper lash line, and I used a combination of the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara and the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara for my mascara. So how did I do? Do my eyes look like crocuses? Croci? Crocuses. I don't know. Do they look like this picture? Even if it doesn't look like the picture, I am thrilled with how it came out, and it reminds me of spring, and I am so excited to be able to say that spring is here. Erica, I love doing collaborations with you, and I hope that this is just the second of many that we will do together. When I first started this YouTube journey, I expected it to be a rather solitary thing. I mean, you're sitting here, you're talking to the camera, but I have been so surprised at how many wonderful people I have met along the way, and how close we have become. These women have become my friends. Yes, we do collaborations together, but we communicate when we are not on camera as well, and we get to know each other, and it has just been this wonderful community of women who are so supportive and so encouraging, and I just love this spirit of we want every one of us to succeed. So you all know who you are, and I am so grateful for you. And for those of you watching this, I hope that you have a circle of women around you to encourage you and cheer you on and lift you up and help you to achieve your dreams. That's one thing that I really want to focus on this channel. It is not too late in your 50s to find some new dreams and chase after them. So if you haven't had a dream to chase in a while, find a new one and go after it. I am encouraging you, and if you want to talk about it down in the description box, I would love to have that conversation. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I pray that you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.